My name's Jesse McTavish. We're at Bar Alvina up in sunny Avalon. I love cooking with seafood because it's part of me. The ocean was just, it's just always part of our lives. Dad's always described it as the great leveller, and always hanging around the beach with Mum and Dad. Be in the ocean surfing or fishing or lifting up rocks as a kid trying to find crabs. And that was the start of a love affair of the ocean for me and all things in it, and the respect that I need to show for that as well. So today we'll be cooking kingfish ribs, beer battered, with a yuzu mayonnaise and togarashi. I'm going to cut this guy up. We'll call him Craig, I guess. Back under the wing, all the way to the top. There's an amazing amount of meat in the head of these guys. Cut from the bottom up to the top of the fillet, and then once you get there, just straight through. That head is absolutely delicious. It's a whole meal in itself. All that gel is just absolutely delicious. It tastes just like the ocean. So we're going to use the ribs, this part here, along here, the belly here, the toro. And what it's going to do, you're going to keep those rib bones in and turn them into little snacks. Take the skin off and then just cut out the rib bones. Each little rib bone runs up there. Instead of Frenching it like a little lamb rib. Awesome. So we've got those guys prepped. We've got those ribs prepped. We'll go in the kitchen now and prep them ready for the fry. So first step in making the togarashi, we're going to use the Thermix yeast. So we're going to roast that in an oven with no fan on, because the fan will just blow it all away. About 200 degrees, 10 minutes. The next thing we're going to do is the sesame seeds. So they're going to go in the same oven, and we'll leave those in there for about 5 minutes. Using the white wings batter mix. So we'll pop in 250 grams of the batter mix. Makes it super easy and really consistent using this mixture. And then to that, using basically a stubby of beer, 375 mils. So we're just going to put the ribs into a bit of flour, dust them off into the batter. We're going to keep that rib bone exposed. In the fryer, fry sitting on 180 degrees. There's fish, it's always better to have a little more salt. There's our kingfish ribs. So just going to make the yuzu mayonnaise. It's literally yuzu and mayonnaise. So I've got 250 grams of praise mayonnaise and 50 mils of yuzu orangey flavour. That was exactly 50 mils. But I think it needs a bit of salt too. In there, we'll just whisk that together. So we're going to start with sesame seeds, roasted yeast, some gochugaru, a little bit of sea salt, a fair bit of nori. Mix those guys together. And there we go. And there's our ribs, nice and crunchy. Look at how golden that batter is. There's the kingfish ribs, beer battered, with the yuzu mayonnaise and togarashi. Yumbo, it'd be terrible with the cold beer.